That's it. I had enough.
Brett had enough. He was completely frustrated and irritated, so he set out to build the perfect page builder that can build you video pages in 60 seconds or less. Hey guys, Ronnie Rocksmith here with USA Digi, and if you haven't checked out Brett Ruticki's instant video pages yet, you need to do yourself a favor and check it out. Seriously though, if you haven't heard of this product yet, it's a very good product. It's mobile friendly, it's customizable, it's proven to convert, and it's video ready. You don't need a domain name, you don't need a website, it's fully hosted for you. All you have to do is upload a video to YouTube, grab that link, bring it into the program, paste it in there, and then customize the page to your liking. So you got countdown timers in here, you got call to action buttons, and you can even redirect the video to wherever you want it to go, an affiliate offer, to one of your products, or whatever. Okay, but the main reason that I brought you here today is I want to tell you what I'm giving away as my bonus. So if you pick up this software using my link below this video, so you can get my awesome bonuses, 4K stock video collection and HD image stock collection, guys. So check it out, guys. This page right here was created in instant video pages. So why would I be promoting something if I don't use it myself, right? And check out the button below, call to action. Also check out the scarcity tactic with the countdown timer, guys. Now, I don't believe in false scarcity. So when this countdown timer actually expires after today, my bonuses will be gone forever on this. So make sure you take advantage, guys, and click my call to action button, pick up your copy, and you will get my awesome bonuses that will come with that copy, guys. 4K video stock collection and my HD image stock collection. Okay guys, so now I'm going to let you over to Brett Ruticki, the creator of the software, to show you exactly how easy it is to create your first instant video page.
Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to let you watch me use instant video pages to create an actual page for a promo in my own 7-figure business. And as you can see by looking at my account, I've used instant video pages several times in my own business. But I want to show you firsthand how easy it is when I use it in a live promo. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create New button. I'm going to enter in a page name. This is only for my use, so I can enter in anything I want. I'm going to call this OSM Bonus. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save New. I'm going to find that page that I just created, and I'm going to click on the Edit button. This is going to take me to the page Edit settings, where I fill in a couple of settings and I'll instantly have a page. So let's go ahead and enter in these settings. The first thing is going to be the page title. I'm just going to enter in OSM Bonus again. The second thing is the headline text. That's the text that's going to show on the top of my page. That's the big important text. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in something eye-catching there. So I've entered in watch below to learn how to get one of Brett's premium plugins for free. I'm going to go ahead and select my page font color. I could do that with this color picker, but I actually want it to be white, and that is the default, so I'm just going to leave it at white. I'm going to select my page texture, and I'm going to just use dark lines. For this particular page, I want to have a living background. That's an actual full motion video background. So I can go ahead and enter in a background video code, but I don't have one offhand. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of the stock videos that are provided inside of instant video pages. I'll go ahead and find one, and I'm going to use this one right here. I am going to enter in the main video code from YouTube for my bonus video, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that in right there. I want my video to autoplay, so I'm going to select yes. Now if I wanted to, I could actually have people redirect to the sales page for the product that I'm promoting in this page via my affiliate link automatically as soon as the video ends. But I'm not going to do that in this particular one. I'm going to let people click the call to action button. I am going to use a timer though, so I'm going to go ahead and select yes for a timer. I'm going to enter in my timer text. This bonus will expire in exactly select the date and time that I want that timer to count down to. I'm going to have it count down to November 2nd at midnight. And I do have the settings in Instant Video Pages set so that this countdown timer is in my local time zone. I could have this in any time zone, but I like it to be in my time zone so that way I don't forget when to shut it off. I'm going to go ahead and use a call to action button, of course, because I want people to click it so that they can go over to the product that I'm promoting. I'm going to leave that checked as yes. I'm going to enter in my bonus text. I'll say claim your bonus now. I'll pick my color. I usually like to pick a different color for the bonus button and the bonus text, so I'm going to pick red. Let's get a nice bright red here. And I'm going to enter in my bonus button URL, which in this case is going to be my affiliate link for the product that I'm promoting. I'll take this back over here, paste my affiliate link in, and I'm not going to enter in any custom code. If I want to do any type of retargeting or anything special, I can enter that in the custom code section here, but I don't particularly want to do that. So now that I have all my settings filled in, I'm going to go ahead and preview this page and see exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, so here is the page that I just created. I got my headline, I've got my video, I've got my countdown timer, and I've got my call to action button, and of course I have my living video background. So I like this. This is pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up. I'll head back over to Instant Video Pages, and I'll click on Save and Exit, and that is it. That quick, I've created a video landing page with Instant Video Pages. Now, as I've said, I'm building this page for my own business, for an actual promo in my own business. And I'm doing that because I firmly believe that if I'm going to ask people to trust their business in my software, I should be trusting my business in that very same software. So what I'm going to do is stop this video, and then I'm going to come back after this promo is done so you can see the kind of results that I get with this page built with Instant Video Pages. Okay guys, it's been about 24 hours and let's take a look at the results that I've gotten so far. So as you can see from the statistics inside of Instant Video Pages, I've gotten 1,105 unique visitors. And of those people, 422 people actually clicked the call to action button on the page that I built. So if we do some quick math, we can take 422, we could divide that by 1,105, and we can see that that page is converting at just over 38%, which is quite effective. However, we don't do this just for conversions. We do this to make actual money. So let's take a look at the money results that I've gotten using a page that I built with Instant Video Pages. And you can see that yesterday I earned $912 in profit with this page. And today, even though it's only a little bit after 10 a.m., I've already earned $228 in profit. So as you can see, Instant Video Pages are quite effective. And this is especially awesome when you consider how fast and easy it is to build these pages. With Instant Video Pages, even the most technically challenged person can build high-quality, mobile responsive, and effective landing pages in under 60 seconds. These are pages that I've used in my own business to generate tens of thousands of dollars. If you want a complex, frustrating system with all kinds of millions of options that's going to take you weeks to learn and hours to use, then Instant Video Pages is not for you. But if you want a simple, fast, and effective solution, click the link below and pick up Instant Video Pages right now.